Lesson number 3. Today is the beginning of verbs. The verb to eat is kudya.
Kudya.
I am eating is ndikudya.
Ndikudya.
No, ndikudya.
Ndikudya.
You don't have to sound like a girl. Ndikudya.
Ndikudya.
Okay, you're getting them. You are eating, singular, is ukudya.
Ukudya.
He or she is eating is akudya.
Akudya.
We are eating is tikudya.
Tikudya.
Yeah, that is correct. I don't know why I look at my notes. You, plural, are eating is mukudya.
Mukudya.
They are eating is akudya.
Akudya.
So the same as he, she, or and they, it's all the same. Future tense is quite simple as well. You just remove the ku and what we've just declined and say, so I will eat is ndidya.
Ndidya.
You will eat is udya.
Udya.
He or she will eat is adya.
Adya. Or they.
Exactly. We will eat is tidya.
Tidya.
And they will eat, as you just said, is adya. Now you can make this, depending on how you say it, it can be a question. So ndidya is I will eat, and ndidya is will I eat. Similarly, you will eat is udya, but to say will you eat is udya. So you can ask a kid, udya, will you eat?
Udya.
Exactly. And he or she or they, or if you want to ask will he or she or they eat, you will say
Adya.
Well done. And
What about you, plural?
you, plural, will eat is
Tidya.
no, mudya.
Mudya.
And will they eat is
Will you eat?
will we eat is tidya.
Tidya.
Yeah. So as a statement that we will eat is tidya, and will you eat is tidya. You're asking yourselves tidya. And that is it. You've learned the present tense and the future tense. End of lesson 3.
Of one verb.
Of one verb. You'll learn many verbs in the next few weeks.
Inenso.